World Penguin Day. Like, ain't enough species talked about, but they're not about a penguin that penguins you won't see around here. And I'm just sad to see don't see a penguin up close to life. It's really understanding about. And I guess seeing the movie Africa and the movie they like one of the saddest thing, but he get it. It's heartbreaking with penguin not the same. At the same time, you get that to happen. So yeah, penguin mostly tap throughout the movie. So yeah, it's like catch by submarines and they just tapping all together. Wow. And I was like the that. So that TV stations and here's the popping noise. But I haven't been investigating that much about it. But it's like a noise that you were necessary here. Or would hear. Like I've been looking around so much to see where the source of it come from. It just sounds like somebody popping something. Like they be popping some type of thing. But this Dave Ball, what you that's in the video, followed by Stuart Socials